Hello everyone, Storm 101 here. Today I'm going to be doing a quick update. I think it's Winter Storm Harper. It starts with an H. I'll probably figure out probably on the next video. Well, you'll probably see on the title. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the GFS model here. In particular, I'm only going to show you two models because I only have, I think, 15 minutes or so. I don't have too much time for this video, so let's be focused on this system in particular. It's going to be going to gain strength down around in the plains like Oklahoma area, and I think this low pressure system from the GFS model, it's a little bit taken it too far, and also I think it's a little bit too warm there. There's a couple disagreements from a good chunk of people for that GFS more particular, and then you got that system there that we'll probably watch later on. Snowfall totals from this GFS model here. It's looking to be, I think this is just taking it a little bit too far to the north. Honestly, on this one, I think it's going to be down around Cincinnati. And yes, especially northeast will most likely get the snow as well. But our main focus, well, at least for my main focus, is actually going to be the Ohio Valley region, because there's a couple things and down the Ohio Valley region, like southern Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, and parts of West Virginia can get onto this here, and maybe Pennsylvania as well. So rainfall totals could be up to 3 inches for some spots, and maybe some spots could get close to 4 inches like Alabama or Kentucky. This is something we really got to watch, especially for Kentucky for rain-wise, because last year we had our worst year on record, and wherever you get ice and snow on top of this, and wherever it freezes so quickly, you get a lot of ice on the roads from this crashing temperatures. So let's go ahead and look at windy here. I'm only going to show you the snow and rain. So here's the next 5 days here. As you can see here, the Euro's been taking it on a survey track. A general 5 to 8 inches of snow for northern Kentucky. Maybe some spots can get up to 9. Possible around the Cincinnati area. There is a couple areas here, particular like around St. Louis, could see 8 to 12 inch range. I'm not going to make my forecast just yet. It's probably going to be maybe tomorrow. Boston could see maybe around a foot. That's a good possibility there. Rain accumulations. Here we go again here with these rainfall totals around Kentucky. Maybe over 3 inches. Now this is something I want to talk to y'all guys about here, and this is mainly going to be for these regions in particular. Let me actually show you what it's going to be like. So we're going to go straight to Saturday here, and let me show you something here. We set up something like this here with a lot of moisture. You can get very heavy freezing rain from this with all that warm air trying to get up to the north. See here, those exclamation points mean freezing rain. You can tell it's in the yellow ranges, which means moderate to heavy freezing rain, which this could get us around 1/4 of an inch of ice for parts of Kentucky and Ohio. You see, it gets pretty heavy in northern Kentucky. That's the area I really want to focus closely, because that could be the hardest hit from the storm. Not even from snowfall, but the freezing rain, the rain, and the snow from the storm system. Wherever you get 3 to 4 inches of rain first, then you get freezing rain that could be up to 1/4 of an inch, and temperatures drop very quickly down into the 20s. You're going to get a lot of ice issues in big time road condition issues there. And same thing for the snow as well. Adding on top of that, it's just going to be so hard to like shovel off snow off your driveway because it's just like ice. So the potential ice storm is there, and that's most likely going to be stretching from Kentucky through Ohio and West Virginia into Pennsylvania. See here, that threat kind of continues up into New York. So we're going to watch this really closely where this freezer rain is going to be, so it can bring that chance of an ice storm to go along with this. So this is my little bit of forecast. In the black, that's a possibility there. The red is where I'm having high confidence. That's your better chance for a winter storm. Basically, in the red here, you can see it stretches from Cincinnati or Louisville, Kentucky, all the way up into Maine is where I'm looking to be the best. Now, if these models in particular continue to go south, then that red's going to go to the south, and that brings along with that black as well. I'm probably going to add another area of red. Actually, let's do that right now. Another area of red. There's going to be a little bit of a gap between here, not having a lot of moisture at some point between here for Indiana and parts of Illinois. So that's all I got for y'all guys today. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on this winter storm for this weekend. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment what you think about this video. And by the way, I'd like to say thank you all for the support on the channel. I really do appreciate it. If you got any questions, weather-wise, go ahead and put that in the comments, and I'll try to answer those questions. And I'll see y'all in the next one.